Have you noticed that suddenly everyone online is claiming they are making money with AI? Some people say they made $10,000 in 1 week. Others say AI changed their entire life overnight. So I decided to test it myself. For the last 30 days, I tried multiplication AI side hustles to see what actually works, what's completely fake, and which AI side hustle made the most money with the least effort. And honestly, some of these way maybe better that I expected, but one of them was complete waste of time. Some. So if you have even wondered whether AI side hustle are real or just another internet trend, watch this video carefully because I am going to break down everything. How much money I made, how hard each side hustle was, which AI tools I used, and which AI side hustle personally choose if I had to start from zero. So before starting this experiment, I made a few rules for myself. First, I could only use beginners friendly AI tools. No coding, no expensive setup, no crazy business experience. Second, I only had 30 days. And third, I wanted realistic results, not fake guru numbers. Not I made $1 million while sleeping. I wanted to know what a normal person could actually do. AI content writing, AI image selling, faceless YouTube channel ideas, AI voiceover works, and freelancing I can use. Now let's talk about the first one. Side hustle number one, AI content writing. Side hustle number one, AI content writing. This is probably the most popular AI side hustle right now. People use AI tools to write blog posts, social media captions, emails, scripts, product description, basically everything. So I tested it using a few tools. OpenAI, ChatGPT.com, CloudAI.com. This is a popular cloud AI. Grammarly.com, Grammarly.com. Now here's what most people don't tell you. AI writing alone is not enough because thousands of people are doing the exact same thing. The real skill is learning how to make AI generated content should sound human. That's important. At first, my writing looked robotic. It sounded generic and honestly boring. But after a few days, I started improving my prompts. Instead of saying, for write a blog post about fitness. Instead of saying, write a blog post about fitness, I started saying, write a beginner friendly fitness article in a conversation tone for busy American who work full time jobs. Huge difference. Listen carefully. Most people fail with AI because they give lazy prompts. The better your instruction are, the better your result become. So after practicing for a few days, I started offering small writing services online. Things like Instagram captions, short blog posts, product description, YouTube intros, and surprisingly, I actually got a few clients. Not huge money, but real money. By the end of the month, I made around $120 for AI writing. Now that's not life changing, but for a beginner with almost no investment, that's honestly not bad. The biggest lesson, AI writing works best when you combine AI with human editing. If you just copy and paste AI text, people can tell. Side hustle number two, selling AI images. This one was interesting. I used AI image generation to create digital arts and upload them to marketplace. The tools I tested were Canva.com, Leonardo.ai, Fireflyabode.com. Now, at first, that sounded amazing. People online are saying upload AI art and make passive income. But reality, it was much harder than I expected because the internet is flooded with AI normal images. Thousands, maybe millionaires. So random AI picture usually don't sell. That's when I realized something important. Niche matters, like you can create. Instead of making random fantasy art, I started creating specific designs, thinking like motivational posters, minimals, wall art, cute pet designs, gaming style wallpapers, and those performed better. Not incrementally, but definitely better. I uploaded design consistently for 30 days, and by the end, I made around $35 total. Yeah, not amazing, but this is real. Now, does that mean AI image selling is dead? No, but it's not as easy as TikTok gurus made it sound. This is important. If you want to succeed with AI images, you need either a strong niche, great marketing, or an audience. Otherwise, it becomes very competent. Side hustle number three, faceless YouTube channels. Okay, this was probably the most exciting side hustle I tested because faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now and AI makes the process way easier. For this, I used for scripts chatgpt.com, for AI voiceovers 11labs.io, for editing CapCut.com. Now here's the crazy part. You don't need to show your face anymore to build a channel. You can create motivational videos, finance videos, history videos, tech videos, storytelling videos, almost anything. So I uploaded several short videos during this channel. At first, very few views. Honestly, it was frustrating because social media makes it look easy. But after experimenting with hooks and titles, one video suddenly started getting traction, and that taught me something massive. The first 5 seconds matter more than almost everyone else. If your hook is boring, people leave instantly. That's why successful creators focus heavily on curiosity. For example, AI just changed the job market over forever. Or I tested 10 side hustles so you don't have to. See the difference. It creates curiosity immediately. Now, I did not make huge money from YouTube during the 30 days, but I did gain subscribers. I got decent views and one short video earned a small amount, though appreciate clicking, around $18 total. Small amounts, but the long-term potential here is huge. Honestly, out of every side hustle I tested, this one probably has the highest upside because a successful channel can eventually make money from ads, efficient marketing, sponsorship, digital products, even membership, and AI helps speed up the process. Our side number hustle 4, AI voiceover services. Now this one surprised me. I thought AI voiceovers would be too saturated, but they are still demand, especially for YouTube creators, small business, TikTok page, podcast intros. I tested platforms where freelancer offer services and I used 11labs.io, marv.ai. At first, I thought, why would anyone pay for AI voices? But then I realized something. Most people don't want to learn tools themselves. They just want fast results. That's a huge opportunity. So instead of selling AI voiceovers, I sold convincements. That mindset shift matters. And honestly, that side hustles work better than expected. I got a few small projects, nothing huge, but enough to make around $90. The biggest challenge was making the audio sound natural because if the voice sounds robotic, clients would not like it. So I learned to adjust pacing, add pauses, change emotional levels, edit pronunciation, and the quality improve a lot. Most people don't know this. Even AI content still needs human creativity. That's the secret almost nobody talks about. Our side hustle number 5 is important, AI freelancing. Now, this was the most practical side hustle. Instead of building a big business, I used AI to help me complete freelance tasks faster. And honestly, this might be the smartest approach for beginners because companies already need services. You are not trying to invest demand. You are solving problems faster using AI. For example, someone needs social media captions. AI helps write them faster. Someone needs a resume. AI helps organize it faster. Someone needs YouTube scripts. AI helps brainstorm ideas faster. See the pattern. AI becomes your assistant, not your replacement. That's a very important mindset. I used platforms where beginners can offer services, and the tools that help most are by Notion and this is our chatgpt.com, notion.so, canva.com. This side hustle ended up making the most money during the challenge, around $240 total. Again, not crazy internet money, but real. and beginner friendly. And honestly, if I stayed consistency for several months, I could absolutely see this growing much better. So which AI side hustle was best? After 30 days, here my honest ranking. For faster beginner income, AI freelancing. For long-term portionless, faceless YouTube. For easiest to start, AI writing. For most passive, AI image selling. For directed opportunities, AI voiceovers. But here's the biggest lesson from this entire experiment. AI is not magic. It will not automatically make you rich. And a lot of people online are engaging results. But AI can help normal people work faster, learn skill faster, and start online business with lower cost than ever before. That part is real. And honestly, that's already powerful enough. Biggest mistake beginner make now. If you are thinking about trying AI side hustles, avoid these mistakes first. Don't rely completely on AI because low quality AI content is everywhere now. You still need creativity, personal, and human editing. Second, don't quit too early. Most side hustles take time before results appear. Remember, my videos barely got views at first. Third, focus on the one thing. A lot of beginners try 15 side hustles at once. That usually leads to burnout. Pick one, get good at it, then expand later. And finally, actually learn communication skills because even in the AI era, people who can communicate clearly with always have no an advantage. That's huge. Final results after 30 days. So across all the side hustles combined, I made a little over $500 total. Now for some people that might sound small, but remember this was only 30 days, starting from scratch, testing multiplication side hustles, and more importantly, I learned which ones have actually long-term potential. And if I personally had to restart today with zero money, I would probably focus on AI freelancing plus YouTube because one gives faster cash flow and the other builds long-term income and audience. That combination is powerful conclusion. So, are AI side hustle road trying? Yes, but only if you treat them like real skills, not lottery tickets. The people making real money with AI are usually the one who stay consistent, learn marketing, improve communication, and actually provide value. AI is just the tool. You are still the strategy. And honestly, we are probably still early because AI tools are improving insanely fast, which means the opportunities will keep changing too. So if you have been thinking about starting something online, this might actually be one of the best times to begin. But start simple, don't overthink it, and focus on building real skills all alongside AI. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment and which AI side hustle you want to try first. And if you want, I can also make best AI side hustles for teenagers, best free AI tools to make money, or how to start a faceless YouTube channel with AI. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.